Hi, everybody, and welcome to week 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. English 1150. Congratulations, you are more than halfway home, and a couple of things to finish up with, and you guys will be in great shape. I do the grading for the class on Monday, so besides the obvious of week 3, anything else that has been submitted from weeks 1 or 2, I will also have graded and commented on. So by the end of the day on Monday, every piece of classwork that you've submitted, discussions, assignments, tests, whatever, will all have been graded and commented on. So make sure on the class homepage over on the left-hand margin you look at, my head's going back and forth, look at the tab for My Grades. And click on that, and there's a couple of drop-down menus, and see if everything that you think you've done is there. If it isn't, it is most likely still open. And the only difference might be if you've used both test attempts and you're not still happy with the result, let me know and we might be able to work something out on that. Or you may have submitted a blank assignment and you need to go back and do that. So you need to let me know in any of those cases, and I can work with you on that. mwallaceultimatemedical.edu, or the phone number 412-467-6756. Please remember I live in Florida, so it is Eastern Time, and keep that in mind. Congratulations on finishing the week 3 essay. Yay! That was to be using a topic that you were thinking about from weeks 1 and 2. This week, we are talking about a couple of different types of writing, one narrative, one descriptive. In reverse order, descriptive writing is exactly what it sounds like. It's a description of an event, period. No personal opinion, no emotion, no thoughts, this is it, what happened. Narrative writing, on the other hand, tells more of a story about an event. And the key element there is an issue or conflict. Whether it's resolved or not is not the point. But you need to talk about something that has happened and your thoughts on it. Yes, you can use first person with that, obviously. Whereas with descriptive writing, no first person. Discussion assignment, you're playing editor. There's a sample of writing in there that you want to review, and then make sure to answer all 3 of the prompts in your initial post, which as always is due by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday. So in that, you're talking about you're being an editor as much as you are a writer. So congratulations on getting this far. Any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.